What's up, freaks? Your pal Al here, and today I'm very excited about because today we're making a gingerbread house. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. I think you cook this, don't you? No, you don't. You don't cook it. You don't. I thought you cooked it. Well, this is gonna be fun. Let's freak out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
All right, so our mission is to build a nice homestead for all the little ginger babies. No, not ginger babies. Ginger people. Ginger? Stop saying ginger. For all the bread people out there that are needing shelter in their lives. Yeah, it might be a hurricane or something. I gotta build this thing sturdy. So, let's open her up. See what's cracking. All right, let's see here. All right, easy enough box to open, I think. Something, kind of. Anyway. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, look at this. I must have got too excited and threw the box down, which I did. But looks like we got a little bit of a faulty fault line in the construction process here. But it's okay, don't worry. We got plaster, we'll clean that right up. We won't even know what it is. Here's the plaster right here. There's the plaster right there, look at that. Made in America, it's fantastic. And then we got a little bit, I told you, can't go anywhere without a nice set of balls, huh? Gotta have a nice set of balls to play with. Otherwise, you know, things can happen. We got these. Hey, $20, huh? $20, come see me. Come see me. I'll be in my back trunk of my car, $20. All right, and then we got a couple of jelly beans here. And we got some of these, I don't know, what is this, Percocet? I don't know what it is, something to do with that. And then we got these green little, it smells good too. These green little, I don't know if you can see those or not. They're like little trees, Christmas trees, but they're sours. It looks like they're sours. I'm hoping they're sours. They smell soury. And then we have these knobbies, these little pasties that I'm gonna put on later, do a dance for you. No? Probably not. Okay. It's a thought. I'll throw it out there, let you guys figure it out if you want me to do that. Maybe throw me a couple PayPals. I'll start doing some dances. Just like the old days. Okay. I got a tray here, and it's got a nice little brick road on it. It says, great, create a treat, easy build tray. They make it easy for you. I know that's being whited out probably, but all right. Now we got this graham cracker business going on here. Oh, gingerbread, whatever you want to call it. Graham cracker, ginger, it's all the same. Ooh, that smells good. That smells good. That smells like Christmas. That smells like Christmas. You guys know, I know it smells like Christmas. All right, so see, got a little bit of a structural flaw up on the top. I'm not scared though. Doesn't bother me. We don't want any more to happen though. We're gonna take this peek. We'll come back to it later. This one's still fully intact. It's looking fantastic, isn't it? It really is. I gotta go low with this. Look, got a couple of sides. All right. A couple more, I think a couple more sides probably with little snowflakes on them. That's pretty cool. And of course, what's a happy gingerbread house without the gingerbread? Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's fantastic. All right, so we got the gingerbreads. We got the house parts. We got the paste, otherwise known as mortar. And then we have a whole bunch of jelly beans, which I know building a house requires a lot of jelly beans. So, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna change views here because my back is killing me. Look at this. I'm all hunched over. You know, this is not working. This is not working, ladies and gentlemen. All right, be back in 2 seconds. Breathe. Fantastic. Before we start, I'd like to go over a couple of safety precautions, safety rules, if you will, okay? The rules go like this. I don't have any rules. Living life like Beetlejuice. I got a cat scratching out the door. I'll be right back. No kidding. No, you can't build a gingerbread house. Okay? No gingerbread houses for you. I'm sorry, that's just the way it goes. All right? Will you sit over here? He's got to sit over here. Say hi to everybody, though. They want to say hi to you. There, he said hi. Did you hear him? Hi. He talks like that. I don't know what. Christ, go ahead. Get on out of here. All right. Let's build. Okay, here we go. This is looking real good. Yeah. All right, here we go. We got to put the sides in. We got to do all that nonsense. Let's get our mortar ready. All right. Very easy. All you got to do is pop the cap here. Just pop the cap. That's all you got to do is just pop the cap, Al. All right. Oh, look, it already has a nozzle on there. So I guess these are like the fun nozzles. We're going to call these the fun nozzles right here. But it already comes with this little nozzle part on here. So here we go. So basically what we want to first do here is establish a good, secure... Why isn't this coming out? Ah, I see what it is. Hold on. You just gotta... There we go. Cut that right off. Like it's a third leg. Not needed. Alright. Now we should be good and juicy and going. We should be. Yeah, okay. We got a little bit of seepage there. So that's good. I love the cleanup part. Alright. Okay, here we go. Now, what we want to do is we want to make sure this thing's stable enough. So we're going to squirt out a nice bit right on the end there. Very nice. And then we're going to stick this on right here. Get it nice and goopy so that it sticks good. And we'll flip this up. Squeeze it together a little bit. Not too much. Not too hard. Don't need too much going on. But that looks good. That looks real good. Look at that seam line. Woo! You can tell I've done tile. Let's get the other side on. This side I'll get this edge right here. I think that would probably be better. It's not really. Hello. Oh God. Come on. Let's get some more on there. All right, I think that's enough. That should be enough, hopefully. At least I'm hoping. All right, so I'm gonna stick this right over here. All right, that looks all right. I wish we could put a little bit more on there, but I guess not. It's all right. We gotta do a little bit of construction repair here. So let's see here. All right, get it on there real nice and neat there. Best we can. Squeeze that in there. There we go. That's a good bond. That's a real good bond. That's a Barry Bondsman. What? That should hold it. I'm hoping. I mean, it won't survive a Category 5, but it'll do something. At least. Alright, so the edges go like this. There we go. Squeeze that off into there. Oh! I forgot about our construction. Oh God, look, we got walls falling down. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I'm sorry, but your house is going to take a little bit longer to construct. It's a political thing. You'll never understand. So, there we go. Now we're cooking with oil. We got our structural design all nice and set up there. That looks good. That looks good. That doesn't look good, but I'll fix it. I'll clean it up, make it look pretty. But that looks good so far. All right, we're gonna get the roof on, and then we're gonna start decorating it. I can't wait. Take the time right now to go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here. And let's continue on. All right, and now for the roof. I went ahead and mortared the sides here so that we have it nice and neat there. And now all we got to do is just stick it right on here, like so, and then stick it right on here. And I think I might have overdid this just a little bit. Yes, I think I did. It's got to come up this way. There we go. It actually looks pretty good though. That looks like it's a good bond. Good God, these things are hard to put together. Thought it was a little bit easier than this, but I guess not. Gotta put the other side on, which is already falling. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me the goods. Give me the goods. There you go. That's nice. Not too bad at all. Looks good. Everything looks good. All right. I need to put a little bit more reinforcements on this thing so it doesn't slide around too much. And then we're going to start decorating. But so far... Oh! I spoke too soon. So far, so good. Let me get some reinforcements on here. I'm going to call the safety instructor out here, make sure everything's to code, and we'll get back to work. All right. Got it in order. It's looking good. It's not falling apart. That's always a good sign. Kind of looks good. All right. Looks good, I think. But do say so myself. All right. Yes. I hope that's enough to hold these gumdrops and stuff on. Put the doors in. Put the doors in. Come on. Don't want any slouching. Still can't slouch like that. We got a door coming in from Italy. Guys, we got a door coming in from Italy. All right? It's a very expensive door. Very expensive door. And a little doorknob. Why not? It's kind of retarded, but it's all right. It looks good. Does that look good? Looks fantastic. All right, good. See? He's happy. He's moving in. He's paying the bills. All right, so let's get all the sweets and stuff on. Here we go. All right, this is Christmas. So, with any Christmas, oh, well, wife's gonna have to find that one. With any Christmas, you gotta have some lights on the house for Christmas, and that's what this is lights on the house. We're getting there. I'm gonna decorate this. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna see exactly how far I get. We're gonna light this puppy up, all right? Stay tuned. All right, here we are. Look what I did here. Put some lights on the top of the house. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Look at that. Huh? Not too bad, huh? I say. Not too bad at all. It doesn't look like it's slouching too much neither, so that's good. We got the house built right there. All right, now it's time to add the gumdrops. Gotta have the gumdrops. These are the gumdrops right here. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna crack open. How the hell do you do this? Fantastic. Got different color type of gumdrops here. So this is good. Let me get a little bit more juice right here, because I don't know if this gumdrop is gonna be able to sit pretty enough. We're gonna take this red, stick it right there. Huh? What do you think about that? Look at that, huh? There we go. I want to get some of these bad boys in there. These are the mints. Gotta have the mints. Gotta have the mints. Come on, baby. Good God. It's like Fort Knox with these bags. Oh, look. They're each individually wrapped, too. Isn't that convenient? I'm going to do the mints a little bit differently, though. We're going to stick this right here. Just like that. And then maybe right on the top. Right on the top. You know? Because I think that's what the witch would like. Didn't the witch have a gingerbread house? With Hansel and Gretel and all that stuff? Alright. Look at that. That's looking like a bad boy right there. We got some trees. And I think the trees will kind of... I don't know. Maybe we'll throw some trees on the back end so the back end isn't so lonely. You know? So we'll squirt this on here. But I'm sticking it right there. And I'm going to do a couple of them. I'm going to do that. We'll get right back and then you can see the final product on it. There we go. A few happy little trees just hanging out. I'm going to move that one over a little bit. It's kind of blocking the door. I think that's good for the back end there. Nobody goes back there anyway because what happened? And we don't want to talk about it. Jimmy fell off the fence back there. He broke his arm. He doesn't go back there anymore. Traumatized him for life. We don't want to talk about it. I try to tell you. I'm going to stick a couple of these right here. Give it some more flair, you know. I think that's not too bad, if you ask me. Oh, it's missing one important thing. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me put this down on here. One important thing. We gotta have the gingerbread men standing outside of it. They want to get their pictures for Facebook and Instagram. They want to tell all their friends. They want to say, look at this house. The house that Alicor built under the rights of your pal Al took care of. So I'm going to stick him right here. But she's hanging out over here. Oh, hold on. Let me make her the wife, actually. There we go. that looks much better. All right. Look at you guys. You got a fancy house all dressed up for Christmas. That is a beautiful sight to see. Kind of. I mean, I'm just trying to hype this up so it looks better for me, you know. Makes me feel better as a person to sleep at night. What do you guys think, though? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll be able to figure out if I did a good job or not. I don't know. I mean, I'm ready to take, you know, sarcastic criticism all day long, all right? I think that's what it's called, isn't it? Sarcastic criticism? But I think that's, I think we did good. I think we did good. You know? I think we did quite well. As long as I don't get the power cord in the icing. I think that would probably be a better idea. But I think it's good. Let me know what you guys think. And I think this is pretty much the last one I'm ever going to do. Alright? This is stuff that I just really don't do. But it's Vlogmas. And, you know, Vlogmas needs to have things done like this. You know what I mean? So that being said, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me for Vlogmas number 18, I believe. This is actually a lot of fun. We're doing pretty good. I can't believe I've survived 18 days of Vlogmas so far, man. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. Alright, I'm going to give myself a tap on the shoulder there. Alright, not only have I made a fantastic dwelling for my gingerbread fans, I'm also surviving Vlogmas. We're going to be back with another video tomorrow. Make sure that you tune in. I got some really good videos coming up. Remember to hit subscribe button. Hit the like button while you're at it. I mean, for them. You know, they're down in the dumps. They want to know people like stuff. So hit the like button for... If you're not going to hit the like button for me, hit the like button for the gingerbreads. It's the gingerbreads! Alright. That being said, remember, life is what you make of it. So make it a good one. And I will see you real soon. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.